Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my best football skills today. Let's have some fun. The first skill what I'm going to be doing is the Johan Cruyff turn. Or just more basic. That. Challenge complete. The second skill I'm gonna do, guys, I don't know the exact name of it, but it goes like this. Yeah. You can do this part however times you want. Any side, as long, yeah. The third skill, guys, is the Maradona flip turn thing. It's hard to explain, but I don't know the name of it. Let me give you a good example. The fourth one, guys, is the Ronaldo kickback kind of thing. I'm not really sure what most of these are called, but I'm trying my best. But it looks like this. Comes like that. It helps you, so then it's an easy way to turn back. The fifth skill, guys, is a rainbow flick. It's very hard to do. If I don't do it, that's fine, but after my football club at school, I would be amazing at it. But let me just show you. The sixth skill, I'm not sure what it's called, but I kind of made it up. I'm going to call it the half Maradona. Like that. Like that. Like this. It's like Maradona, but it's not like that, because halfway in between rainbow flick and Maradona. The eighth skill, guys, is a Neymar skill. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll show you. It's hard to describe and tell you, but basically you'd be like this, you stop, and you quickly go back. Neymar uses that skill quite a lot, I think, and it helps you out of trouble. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Boom shakalaka, ding dong ding. Shoo! Shoo!